Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a new collaboration to share with you. I've been working with a company called Pandahall, who have a load of different products on their websites. They've got like soy candles, they've got paper crafting stuff, they've got wax seal stuff, they've got jewelry making stuff. There's a whole load of stuff on their website, and they asked if I would like to go and choose some products and then try them out and let them know what I thought, let you know what I thought. So I had a look on the website and I decided to go ahead with that. So I'm going to leave everything that I'm showing you today linked down below. What I will say is that their prices, when I looked on the website, were really reasonable, and from the time of them telling me the items had been dispatched to them arriving at my house was literally a matter of days. And I mean days. I was shocked. So it was exceptionally fast delivery. So I'm going to get into this padded envelope. I'm going to show you what they've sent, and then we'll have a little talk about what we think. So bear with me while I get it opened. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button because it really helps it grow and reach more people. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop me some comments and let me know what you think of the products. So without further ado, let's get into this because I'm a bit too excited. Well, this is everything. So we'll start pulling things out. As you can see, it's come really well packaged. It came in the white Jiffy bag, which had bubble wrap inside it, and then it's also got another layer around it. Let's just start pulling things out. Okay, so these are white beads for jewelry making and things. That's the name of the company there, Pandahall. So I thought what I'd use these for are flowers, because I really enjoy making my own paper flowers, and these will hopefully look great in the middle of them. So I thought kind of that's what I would use them for. Look at that cute little box when I've used them all as well. How great is that little box? And that's the first thing. Oh, okay. So next we have some punches. I got a set of 4 because I don't know about you, but I use circles a lot in my crafting, and I don't always want to have a pattern on it, or I don't want to go and grab my dies and then run it through the machine just for like a 2-second job. So I thought circle punches would be great. I've been meaning to get some for the longest time, and I just kind of never get around to buying them. So when I saw these, I thought, great, let's try these. So I've already got an idea of what I want to do with these. So we've got a range of sizes. This one is a 3/8, really dizzy. This one is a 5/8. Then we've got a 1 inch, and we've got a 1.5 inch. I really liked the colours as well. So that's another thing that drew me to this particular set. But yeah, really excited to have those. Can't wait to use them. And I think they're going to be really useful and a really great staple. So I'm interested to see how they punch and kind of the quality of those. Okay, let's get that bag back. And the last thing I got was a load of wax seals. Of course I was going to have wax seals. If you've been with me for a while on this channel, you will know how much I love doing wax seals. I find it really relaxing. I find it a really nice way to craft when you want to make something and you don't know what, or you just can't be bothered, and yeah, it just chills me out. So I have picked quite a few. The first one I have, I was so excited when I saw this. Let me get it out of the bag and show you. I can see this being used a lot. This one is a horseshoe with 2 horses' heads in it. How fantastic is that? I am an equestrian. I do have my own. I'm very, very lucky. Also very, very broke because I have my own. And I have a lot of horsey friends. So I think that is going to get a lot of use. And I absolutely love that one. Then we have one in a box. So let's get this box open and we'll see which one is in here. My word, that was tricky to get into. I had to get the scissors out for that one. I'm just going to rip into this box because I do not need to keep the box. So it's come with its own handle and then it is also wrapped in plastic. Well, they are really making sure these are protected. And this one, look how cute. It's a little baby elephant. Oh my goodness, I had no baby stamps and I saw this and just fell in love. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to stamp that out and do things creatively with that, colour it, try different techniques with stamps. Oh, so pleased with that one. And how cute is that? So we have a new wax seal for babies. And then this one is actually a set. So let me show you what's in here. In here we have, see how well packaged everything is. I literally didn't open anything until I was ready to film the video because I knew I'd never get it all back together again. So I just thought, let's just blind react. Let's open it all as we go so you can see how it's come to me, because that would also be how it comes to you. So we have two handles in like a plastic bag. These bags I actually used in Happy Mail. I just reused them. So there is a lot of packaging being sent, but I can reuse it. So I'm not mad about the packaging. And then look at all these. Now, I can't remember how much these were. I want to say they were about £11 for the set. It was definitely the most expensive thing I picked, but look how many you get. So let's have a look again. I went with a theme I didn't already have. I went with a wedding theme. Oh my goodness. I don't know why some are wrapped and some aren't, because none of those other ones look wrapped, but anyway. So this one is like the bride and groom having a bit of a kiss to seal their marriage. And then we have hearts with the bride and groom. It's two little kids in fact, look. Oh, how cute. That's super cute. And then we have lovely heart with, try and get it to focus, like a floral detail inside. Then we have, not sure which way this one goes. We have this one. It might become a bit clearer once I stamp it out. Oh, it's two lovebirds. There you go. Two lovebirds surrounded by a foliage. So that's really sweet. We have this one, the heart with the halo over the top. We have, oh wow, look at this one. This is interesting. So this one's got decompressed areas in it, a locket, recessed, and then raised areas. I am excited to try that one. That is a really interesting design. I've not seen one like that before. There we have the bride and groom. Again, it's quite recessed. And then the last one is that one. I don't know what's going on with my focus. I'm so sorry. Look, isn't that lovely? The bride and groom having a kiss with some hearts. And that's everything I chose. Let me know down below which item is your favourite or which one you're most interested to see. I am going to come back and do 2 more videos showing either what I've made with them or showing me using the products. So I'll probably do one on the wax seals and then one with the other bits, if that makes sense. But yeah, I am quite excited by my little pieces here. Some of those wax seals, oh my goodness, they're so intriguing. As I said previously, I will link everything that I've got here in the description box of this video, and those links should take you straight to the website if you want to go and have a look at either these or anything else that they did have. As I said, I did think the prices were quite good, which is one of the reasons I went ahead with the collaboration, because I'm quite mindful of costs at the moment, not just for myself but for everyone else as well. No one's got any money, let's face it. None of us have any money, and I didn't want to do a collaboration with a company who were having very high prices on their products. So I thought the prices were reasonable for what they were. They did have a sale on when I picked. I don't know if that sale is still on. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who comes and watches my videos for whatever reason or however you find me. It means the absolute world. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. If you'd like to see the follow-up videos for these products, remember to have the notification bell rung, because then you'll get notified when I do put those videos up. And please do leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think of these items. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.